Hello. If you are new to the area, the Monstropolis Chamber of Commerce would like to welcome you. While you're in town, be sure to...
We interrupt this program for a special report. A child is on the loose in Monstropolis. A human child!
If witnesses are to be believed, there has been a child security breach for the first time in monster history.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight.
I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind powers and shook me like a dog.
It's true! I saw the whole thing!
Happy birthday, Schmoozy Boo!
Oh, googly bear!
Horrible!
Made me dance like a chicken. My thoughts were not my own. Then it grabbed me with its right foot.
Oh, we gotta get you home.
There's a kid here! A human kid!
My home is out sweet, and on my birthday, I thought you cared about me.
I understand.
Come on, this way.
Situation is 500. 35. Spread out and lock it down.
Nice! Yeah, nothing exciting ever happens.
Hurry up, Sully, hurry up. I've got both doors set up on the scale.
You done yet, Sue?
Race you to the scare floor. You'll never find her door now.
Look, Boo, there's your door.
We're almost there, kiddo.
Not so fast, Sullivan. They'll never get her home now.
Almost there, kiddo. 23 feet.
Not so fast.
It's been the most terrifying day of my life. I love you, kiddo.
Kitty's got her now. Sleep tight.
Nothing to worry about, folks. Just a standard decontamination. No problem. You're all situations satisfied. Now you're not